Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today I am working on another installment in my Use Your Kit little mini series here, and I have two pictures of my nephew for his birthday, and so I thought what better than to use this sort of homemade kit that I put together using the Crepe Paper Hooray collection as a jumping off point. So I thought before we get into the scrapbooking, I'd share with you what I have put together, because like I said, this is kind of a homemade kit. So basically what I was doing is as I was getting things that I thought would work with the collection, I threw it in here. So I put these Jen Hadfield homemade embellishments, mostly because I think like the colors here go really well. If you look at the Hooray collection, those really go well, and so some of these buttons and stuff could work. I don't remember if there's a lot of brown, but the colors will work. I have the Hooray Crepe Paper dimensional stickers. I have the Vicky Bouton mixed media embellishments. This doesn't say which one it is, but it's the one that kind of has a travel theme on it. I threw in the Chamel glitter enamel dots. Again, if we're looking at the colors, the greens, the blues, the pinks, the yellows, all kind of work. I also threw in the BU tassel bows. Not all these colors work, but a couple of them do, so if it works, that's great. This is the Celebrate thickers. I also threw in the Sunny Day bows, and I threw in the thickers goldenrod with the words. I had this Hip Kit alphabet floating around, so I threw that one in as well. And whimsical, again, there's some of the blues, the pinks, the greens, the yellows. I also had these Hooray thickers. And then I got this in a grab box. It's from Pebble's birthday, which is actually a cake topper. But I thought maybe I could take it apart and use it for a scrapbook page, so that's why I threw that in here. So that should be it as far... Oh, no, there's one more embellishment. Thickers Fairy Tale I threw in because of the dark blue. So as far as papers go, I have the... this is Yay Bravo, or Yay page from the Hooray collection. This one is from Dear Lizzie New Day. It's Mindful. This is Crepe Paper La La Love Bouquet. Also from La La Love, Love Note. And La La Love Blush. Jen Hadfield Along the Way. This is called Picnic Basket. And then I threw in some Paige Evans Whimsical. Like I said, I threw the stickers in, but I have the number 3, number 5. This is Vicky Bouton Field Notes. This is Simple Things. Also from Paige Evans Whimsical 09. So maybe not all the sides work, but you know, that's the thing with a homemade kit. You just kind of pick a side and go with it. This is Whimsical 08. Whimsical 04. Along the Way Porch Swing from Jen Hadfield. And then Crepe Paper from Hooray Birthday Girl. So I have, like I said, 2 photos. I have a sketch picked out. Let me just pull it up and tell you what I'm going to be using. It is from scrappysketches.blogspot.com, and it looks like that. So 2 4x4 photos. So let me sort through this, pull what I think I'm going to use, like narrow it down because there's clearly a lot of stuff here, and then I will touch base with you again. Okay, so I've narrowed down the papers. I think I'm going to use this as a border, and then this on top of that, and then this will be the middle stripe that goes down. So if we look at the sketch. And then I thought I would hold on to this yellow and this black in case I needed matting. I am probably going to gut this piece here so that I can use the interior piece as well elsewhere on the page. So those are the three papers. I'm going to use some of these items for the 4 pieces going down. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this. I think they might be too big, or I'm hoping I can maybe use it for the title, but I'm not sure. If not, then I've got these. And then I just left these out for finishing touches to see if maybe I can squeak them in. So that is that. Let me get cutting and do a mock-up for you. Okay, so we are going to have to modify the sketch in order to accommodate using these stickers. So I think instead of putting this in the center, it's probably going to be more off to the side, which means there's probably not going to be any room for banners there, but I'm not 100% sure. There was another piece of paper, a lined paper, I think, where you could put your journaling that came off of here. So I've just got that like so. I took the photos and mounted them on white and then on the same paper from there. And I'm thinking we're just going to align that so it looks like it extends across. And then I think if I've got this right, the happy birthday should fit something like so. They don't all stick together. And then there was, I think, 4 squares. Yeah, and I'm opting to go with 3 because this takes up so much space. So I'm thinking maybe 1 up here, and then this one, and then this one down here. Now, the squares did have a little band behind them, which I think would jazz these up. So I will either use scrap paper or maybe find a washi tape that will work. That would look kind of fun, I think. So that's the basic layout, the way I'm looking at it now. Move this over, something like that. And then I still have quite a few more embellishments, so I might go a little bit crazy, you know, and fill in something here. I don't know, journaling's probably going to go here, although there's not much because these photos were sent to me. But so let me glue this down, see what I'm going to do about the squares, and I'll show you the final results. Okay, so here's the completed layout, pretty much as I said I was going to. I did end up swapping out the happy birthday piece for this yay because I felt it was a little redundant to have happy birthday and happy birthday. And then I added the llama with the gifts on the end here and the star, one of the foam stars, and then I also added the hooray yay banners, and that's pretty much the only things I changed. I did add washi tape in the back and I really like how that turned out. So overall, I'm happy with this page. I hope you are inspired to tackle something in your room. Maybe pull out a kit that you've put together or a kit that you received, or maybe make a kit. Thanks again for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.